Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Wealth Unlimited. Here, in the series of talking about investments to grow your money, today I will be giving the overview of Indian FMCG sector, also known as Rahul Dravid of the stock market, because of its defensiveness when there is turmoil in the market. I will also be sharing the top 3 picks of FMG sector where I see value. This video is not a recommendation that you should buy these stocks. Please do your own due diligence before investing in the stock market. Let's begin and talk about the FMCG sector. FMCG or fast moving consumer goods is the fourth largest sector of Indian economy. This industry has three main segments in the sector: food and beverages, which is 19% of the sector, healthcare, 31%, and remaining is covered by the personal care. The FMCG market in India is expected to grow at a CAGR of 14.9%, and it is expected to reach 220 billion US dollars by 2025. Next, I'll talk about the Nifty FMCG chart. This is a index return since inception. This index consists some of the largest FMCG stocks present in India like Nestle, HUL, Dabur, Marico, etc. The index has roughly grown by a CAGR of 16% till date, making the stocks consistent compounders. Now, why it is happening and what is the reason this kind of growth, or will it sustain in the future? If you ask me, the answer is yes. The key reason I believe like this thing can go on and on in future is because of the increase in disposable income in rural India, and low penetration levels in the rural market offer rooms to the growth. Rising digital connectivity in the cities and rural areas is driving the demand of FMCG, and e commerce is also playing a major role in the growth of this particular sector. The FMCG sector, the investments by FIIs and the investors is easy as the FMCG products have demand throughout the year. I hope I was brief in giving you the overview about the FMCG sector. Now, let's talk about the current situation. Current market situation of the FMCG sector. Same, this is the Nifty FMCG index, where you can see that on the daily basis, Nifty FMCG is trading at the level of 41,500, and it's near its major resistance. Now, will I be buying FMCG stocks right now? No. I'll be waiting for a little cool off as FMCG sector has already given good returns in last couple of months. It has its support around 39,000 levels and psychological support near 40,000. You can once again start seeing value in FMCG stocks, but again, you never know how market will react, so it is better to do SIP, systematic investment on monthly basis if you are planning to stay in the market for the long term. Now, the top 3 FMCG stocks where I see value and I believe like they can do better in future are: number 1, the first is Marico. Marico Limited is one of the India's leading consumer goods company operating in personal care category. The company is present in more than 25 nations across the globe, and it is a leading brand in hair care, skin care, and edible oils. You might be familiar with the Parachute coconut oil, Safola oats, and Nihar Naturals are some key products made by the company in the coconut oil, and the company holds the 62% market share, which makes it one of the biggest in the industry. It has 94% in the Safola flavor oats as well. The market cap for this particular segment is 65 610 crores, and the buying levels are 425 to 475, where you can start accumulating this stock. This is the quarterly result of the Marico. As you can see, that the sales have been improving consistently, but there is a dip in the quarter results of March 2022, December 2021, as the result is expected to contract further due to the titrated consumption and the rising fear of inflation. The second stock which we are going to talk about is Hindustan Unilever Limited, HUL. It is the biggest FMCG business in the country, comprising primarily of home care, beauty, and personal care, along with food and beverages. There is a fact around 90% of the all households in India use one or more of the company branded product. The company is market leader in skincare, fabric wash, household, ketchup, tea, etc. Some of the prominent brands under HUL are Nor, Kisan, Lipton, Brook Bond, Horlicks, Boost, etc. The company recently posted their results, and their quarter one earning jumped 11% in their profit on year basis to 2289 crore. The major reason behind it is the increasing operating profit for the company, and it is also helping company to grow significantly ahead of the market. This is the quarterly result of HUL, where you can see that there has been consistent rise in their net profits as well. The third stock in our list is Tata Consumer Products. Yes, it is one of the leading companies of the Tata Group with presence in food and beverages business in India as well as internationally. It is the second largest tea company in the whole world. With hike in interest rate, the company becomes the best bet in FMCG sector as the company is almost debt free and has given dividends consistently in last few years. The company is the largest tea company in the domestic market of India and second largest brand in the world with a portfolio of major brands such as Tata Tea, Tetley, Vitex, Good Earth, and Teapigs. It contributes to 51% of their revenue, and 21% of the revenue comes from the food business where they sell salts and pulses. The Starbucks. Yes, it is a joint venture between Tata Consumer Product and Starbucks Corporation of America, wherein the company is working towards expanding the presence of Starbucks retail coffee stores. This particular segment and this particular stock has a market capitalization of 72,549 crore, and the perfect buying level for Tata Consumer Product is between 700 to 750, where you can start thinking about doing a SIP on monthly basis. This is the quarterly result. Again, you can see that the margins are falling here for the Tata Consumer Products due to the inflation negative effect on the gross margins. And there are chances that they might also do the price hike in future, which can also hamper the coming results for the business. So these are the top three bets I am looking out for personally, and they are the leaders in their market segments. If you talk about Marico, it's an industry leader in coconut oil. If you talk about HUL, it's the largest FMCG, one of the largest FMCG sector company in India, and Tata Consumer Product, the leading tea producer. So these are some of the bets I have watching them closely in my watch list, and I hope like I was able to give a good overview of FMCG sector and why it can grow further. That's it on the today's video. I hope you liked the video. I hope I was able to give you some knowledge about the FMCG sector. And if you like the video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more such content. Thank you.